Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Valentine's Day mini poppets are probably one of the most delightful and engaging fidget toys to hit the market, offering a satisfying sensory experience that appeals to all ages, making them perfect for stress relief, focus enhancement, or simply a fun way to pass the time, especially during the season of love where sharing joy and small tokens of affection is paramount, ensuring everyone can enjoy a moment of playful distraction and tactile pleasure. Number 5. Pop Fidget Toys Bulk Valentine's Day Gifts for Kids. Looking for the ideal Valentine's Day gift for kids? These mini heart pop fidget keychains are perfect for classroom exchanges, preschoolers, and toddlers. They add a fun and engaging touch to the holiday. These make a great stress reliever for children. They can enjoy the satisfying popping action during class breaks or Valentine's parties. It's a fun way to de-stress and have a good time. With their cute designs and popping fun, these are suitable for both boys and girls. Every child will love them, making them a perfect fit for Valentine's goodie bags. If you need Valentine's Day gifts in bulk for a classroom, these keychains are an excellent choice. They are easy to distribute as party favors or fill up goodie bags. These items are perfect for Valentine's Day goodie bags and classroom parties. They serve not just as a gift, but also as a memorable keepsake for the holiday. What we like? These are perfect for classroom exchanges and goodie bags. If you're looking for an easy and fun way to give gifts to a whole class, these are a great choice. They offer a lot of value for the price and are sure to be a hit with all the kids. What people say? Great variety of colors and shapes, each poppet felt unique and fun. The size is perfect for little hands and easy to toss in a backpack or pencil box. Durable and satisfying to pop, even the parents wanted to play with them. Number 4. Leaper Girls Crossbody Purses. Introducing the Leaper Girls Crossbody Purses, a perfect blend of style and practicality for your little ones. These bags are designed to be both fashionable and functional. Whether for kids or women, these versatile bags are a great choice. They offer ample space for essentials while maintaining a chic look. Crafted from durable canvas, these crossbody bags are built to last. They can withstand daily use, making them ideal for school or outings. Get more value with this set of 2 crossbody bags. You'll have options for different occasions or can share with a friend. Enjoy the convenience of a messenger bag style. It allows for easy access to your belongings while keeping your hands free. These purses are sure to become your new favorite accessory. They are perfect for carrying everyday items in a secure and stylish manner. What we like? This set offers a fashionable and practical accessory for young girls. If you need a gift that's both trendy and functional, these purses are ideal. They are perfect for everyday use or special occasions, allowing kids to carry their essentials in style. What people say? Great for little hands and easy to use. The poppet is very satisfying and provides a good sensory experience. Durable and holds up well to frequent use. Number 3. 18-pack 3D Animal Pop Fidget Balls. Introducing our 18-pack of 3D Animal Pop Fidget Balls. These fun toys combine the popular bubble push game with adorable animal designs. Give them a gentle squeeze to release pressure and enjoy the satisfying popping sounds. They're perfect for relieving stress and anxiety anytime, anywhere. Made from high-grade, smooth silicone, these toys are safe for children of all ages. Their 2-inch size prevents accidental ingestion. Lightweight and compact, they easily fit in pockets or can be attached to keys and bags for fun on the go. Ideal for goodie bags, classroom prizes, piñata stuffers, and birthday gifts. These cute 3D animals are sure to be a hit. With bright, attractive designs and clear facial details, these toys are loved by kids. They're perfect for keeping little ones entertained for hours. What we like? These offer a fun and engaging sensory experience with their animal designs. If you're looking for a unique party favor that provides stress relief and entertainment, these are a fantastic option. They are great for kids who enjoy tactile toys and fun sounds. What people say? They are colorful, soft, and the popping sound is gentle, not loud or annoying. The material feels smooth and well-made, not cheap or sticky. The bright colors and the popping out nose and eyes made them even more fun. Vibrant colors, soft, safe, delightful popping noise, and adorable. Pretty durable as well given they've been in bath water every day for 3 weeks now. No fade, no leaks. Number 2. 30-pack Animal Pop Balls Party Favors for Kids. Introducing a delightful pack of 30 animal-themed pop balls, perfect for kids' parties and everyday fun. These 3D fidget toys offer a satisfying pop with every squeeze, providing instant stress relief. Take the fun with you wherever you go. These portable stress balls are designed for play at home, in the office, while traveling, or anywhere you need a moment of decompression. Enjoy the satisfying popping sounds. Crafted from high-grade, smooth silicone, these toys are safe for children of all ages. Their compact size ensures they are easy to handle and won't pose a choking hazard, making them a worry-free choice. Looking for the ideal gift? These pop balls are fantastic for party favors, birthday gifts, goodie bag stuffers, and carnival prizes. They are sure to bring smiles and laughter to any child. These sensory toys are not just fun, they help naturally relieve stress and anxiety. The gentle popping action can improve focus and provide a calming sensory experience for kids. Designed for durability and creative play, these toys promise hours of entertainment. They are a popular choice for classrooms, parties, and as rewards, ensuring endless fun and laughter. What we like? These are designed for endless fun and stress relief with their cute animal shapes. If you want a reliable and engaging toy that kids will love, these are a top pick. They are perfect for party favors, rewards, or just a fun everyday toy. What people say? This is a great little toy for fidgeting. The Pop-It is very satisfying and durable. It's a good size for small hands and easy to clean. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit, Pink. Introducing our beautiful Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. This kit adds a touch of pink charm to any room. Decorating is a breeze with our easy peel and stick design. You can reposition them anytime you like. Worry-free decorating. These are always removable and leave no sticky residue behind, keeping your walls pristine. They stick effortlessly to most smooth, flat surfaces. Get creative and transform any space. Each kit comes on 4 convenient sheets, measuring 17.25 inches by 9.75 inches. Plenty of pieces to work with. With a total of 59 pieces, you have endless possibilities to create a unique look. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? These provide a simple and creative way to decorate any space. If you're looking for a temporary and damage-free way to add some flair to a room, these are perfect. They are ideal for kids' rooms, play areas, or any surface that needs a pop of color. What people say? Super easy to apply. I like how they're easy to remove. I had to reapply a few to put them in the right spot. Very cute for the kids to place themselves and add a touch of color instead of painting and regretting it. They stick well and looks awesome once you get a pattern going. They easily are removed and can be reused. They are cute and fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.